Polite English. Mastering the art of using kindly. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we are going to explore a key aspect of polite conversation, understanding and using the word kindly in making requests. The ability to use polite expressions can greatly enhance your communication skills. First off, let's understand the meaning of kindly. It's an adverb that adds a layer of politeness to our requests. Often used in formal contexts, kindly requests the listener to do something in a polite and gentle manner. The use of kindly is context-specific. It's commonly used in business emails, official documents, or when we're addressing someone we don't know well. Here are some examples. Kindly find attached the report you requested. Kindly refrain from making loud noises after 10 p.m. Please note that it might sound too formal or even old-fashioned in casual, everyday conversation. While making a request using kindly, it usually precedes the action you want someone to take. Here are some sentence structures for guidance. 1. Kindly plus verb. For example, kindly consider my application. 2. Could you kindly plus verb? For example, could you kindly pass the salt? Remember, kindly is all about being courteous and respectful, so the tone of your voice matters too. Although kindly and please are both polite terms, they are not always interchangeable. Please is more universal and can be used in both formal and informal situations. Kindly, on the other hand, is generally more formal and sometimes can come off as distant or impersonal. For instance, while it's okay to say, "Please pass the salt," saying, "Kindly pass the salt," might sound unusual in a casual dinner setting. And that's a wrap on using kindly. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and proper usage. Remember, learning English is a journey, and each step you take enriches your understanding and proficiency. So keep practicing, and until next time, kindly keep learning.